I have a fun, unique activity for your older students as they're learning a new memory verse, and that is to use landscape edging. These interlocking pieces are great because each section slides into the next, creating a puzzle when you put the individual words on these pieces. I like these because they're sturdy. Not much is going to happen to these. And I also like them because it reminds me a little bit of the Ten Commandments stones. And so if you have a memory verse that is from Exodus, let's say, these can be a great secondary reminder. They're also reusable. If you put address labels on, then you can just replace them with another label. Just stick it right on top for your next memory verse. If you put these pieces upside down on the floor and challenge students to put them together, maybe even make it a team game. See which team can put it together the fastest and time them. An alternative would be to have these pieces in a basket in a corner and ask students to put them together when they have some free time. This activity is ideal for older kids because it can be a little bit of a challenge to get these to interlock. Also, be aware these can be a little pokey on the edges, and sometimes students like to kind of hold them against their body as they are putting them together. So just caution them to be careful. If you would like to find your own landscape edging, gardeners.com has a few varieties for you to choose from. I've also seen them on Home Depot website and on Amazon. I'll provide a few links for you in the comments section. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.